Hello friends, do you want to hear some फायदे की बात that will improve your trading and investing experience? Do you want to trade like a pro? HDFC Securities brings you a host of exciting features that will turn you into an investing pro in no time. We call it फायदे के features. Let's dive right in. फायदे का feature number 2, trailing stop loss. Let's say you place an order for stock A, whose current market price is rupees 100 and would like to set a stop loss at rupees 90. You can place a trailing stop loss instead at 10% of the current market price. This protects your upside and downside. Let me give you an example. Assume you bought stock ABC with a stop loss at rupees 90. The stock moves to rupees 120 in a week, then falls to rupees 90 and triggers your stop loss. You will lose rupees 10 per share in such a trade. How can you avoid this? Placed order with trailing stop loss at 10%. As your stock moves to rupees 120, your trailing stop loss moves to rupees 108. When the stock falls to rupees 108, your order is squared off and you make a profit of rupees 8 per share. ये हुई ना फायदे की बात. Learn more about such फायदे के features on HDFC Securities web and mobile trading platforms.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.